Hey traders, Mike here. Over the past 17 years of training students, I've been fortunate to work with some unbelievable traders who've been able to develop consistent and profitable returns in the financial markets. In fact, many of them chose to trade full-time and make trading their career. But one of the biggest challenges for traders is having enough trading capital, which would allow them to be able to make a living through trading. One popular option that I suggest for traders is to trade for a proprietary trading firm, where the firm would provide you with the necessary capital to trade based on your trading skills. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take to become a funded prop trader. So let's get started. First off, let me share with you what is prop trading. Now, it's a type of trading activity where financial institutions such as banks and hedge funds or trading firms use their own capital to trade in the financial markets, as opposed to trading on behalf of their clients or investors. Now, the traders, referred to as prop traders in the firm, can engage in buying and selling various financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodities, options, futures, currencies, or even cryptocurrencies. Now, it doesn't matter what they trade as long as the primary objective is to generate profits for the trading firm, and they would receive a percentage of the profits earned. Now, prop traders can employ various trading strategies such as scalping, day trading, swing trading, arbitrage, quant models, or even algo trading to capitalize on market opportunities and earn trading profits. However, the focus is still on generating profits from short-term price fluctuations or market inefficiencies rather than a long-term buy and hold approach. Also, even though prop firms have a strict risk management system for their traders, they often have a higher risk appetite compared to traditional investment firms. So for example, prop firms allow their traders to engage in speculative trading activities such as trading major market news events like the Fed meeting. Also, prop traders generally are allowed to take much larger positions and utilize leverage to potentially generate higher returns as long as that they don't exceed their maximum loss limits. Most importantly, prop firms allow traders to not only trade large amounts of capital that they might not have access to, but not risk any of their own capital. And this is an important aspect that's driving many traders into the prop trading industry. So now you're probably thinking, well, prop trading might be a good career path for me. So the next question that you're probably going to ask me is, how do I become a prop trader? Well, one option is to apply for a spot on the proprietary trading desks that are typically found at financial institutions such as banks, hedge funds, or established proprietary trading firms. And you'll have to prepare a well-structured resume that highlights your educational background, trading experience, trading performance, or any other relevant trading skills. Then, if you're chosen, you will need to go through an in-person interview and assessment for the firm to evaluate your trading knowledge and abilities. Now, getting one of these limited spots on a proprietary trading desk is incredibly competitive and especially difficult if you didn't graduate from an Ivy League school or have a ton of trading experience. However, there is an easier route to becoming a prop trader. Before I share with you how, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Trade the Pool. They are an online stock trading prop firm that funds stock traders and offers more than 12,000 stocks, ETFs, and even penny stocks for you to trade. You can choose to start trading with a small $20,000 account or trade up to a massive $260,000 account. Once you pass the evaluation phase, you get funded and get to keep up to 80% of the profits that you generate. As well, when you sign up to Trade the Pool, you get a free user account to some of the best trading tools in the world, including Trade Ideas, TrendSpider, Bookmap, TraderSync, and more. Click on the link in the description box below to sign up for a free 14-day trial account to see if you got what it takes to become a funded prop trader. In the past 5 years, the prop trading industry has changed dramatically to attract more and more traders into the business who might have not been able to get in due to their lack of a qualified education or trading background. In today's funded prop firms, it's all about proving that you have the ability to generate a profit, and if you can show the firm that you can, then you will get funded. This is why a lot of the firms have you pass a trading challenge, being that you are required to generate a minimal amount of profit within a certain period of time. Now, all prop firms before would have had you pass a trading assessment, but the biggest difference is instead of sending a resume and going through interview after interview, all you have to do is pay the fee for a trading challenge, which can range from a few $100s to thousands of dollars. And there's no limit to the number of challenges that you can take. As long as you pay, you can go through the challenges, unlike having to go through interview after interview. Now, before you take any trading challenge to get funded, let me walk through with you step by step on the approach that you should take. First off, before you even consider taking any trading challenge, you need to build a strong foundational knowledge of the financial market. So educate yourself on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, learn how to read the charts and interpret the news, know how to manage risk, and learn what trading strategies to follow. Now, you can find a lot of trading education on my YouTube channel, and if you want to learn more from me, I do have online trading courses that I offer. Now, once you acquired a certain level of trading knowledge, you need to choose what markets that you want to focus on, as various funded prop firms specialize in different markets. Now, it could be the US stock market where you would trade individual company stock or ETFs. And as I mentioned earlier, Trade the Pool is the leading stock market prop firm. Now, if it's the futures market where you want to trade commodities such as crude oil, precious metals like gold, or just the overall US stock market index, then Top Step Trader is a leading futures prop firm. Now, if it's the Forex or CFD market where you want to trade currencies or global indices, then you want to consider the Fivers, a leading Forex prop firm. Now, specialization allows traders to develop expertise in particular markets and instruments, enabling them to exploit market inefficiencies or take advantage of unique opportunities. Next, you want to determine your trading style, whether you're a scalper, trend follower, breakout trader, or range-bound trader, and specializing in knowing at least 2 to 3 trading strategies very well. Now, if you don't have any strategies, you can find a whole slew of trading strategies on my YouTube channel. Now, I'm not going to go into detail here on what else that you need to learn, but essentially you want to put your knowledge to the test and start trading on a simulated demo account. Now, focus on consistency and limiting your risk rather than aiming for big profits. Now, document your trades, track your performance, and analyze the results to identify areas for improvement. Now, what you need to do is prove to yourself that you can achieve the minimal profit requirements to pass the challenge. And once you have on a simulated demo account, then you're ready to take the prop trader challenge. As much as I love the prop firm industry, there are some things to be aware of before diving head first in. Now, the first thing is you should not take the challenge thinking that it's very easy to pass. It's not. You're given a limited amount of time to reach a minimal profit target, and you can't exceed maximum drawdown amount on a daily basis or during the challenge. In fact, there are statistics out there that show that only 5 to 10% of traders manage to pass a trading challenge. So this means that 90 to 95% of the traders that attempt the challenge will fail and not get funded. The second is because of the low passing challenge rate, there are some shady prop firms out there that have no intention in paying their traders if they generate a profit. And they all focus their entire business on making money through the challenge fees. So therefore, it's important to do your due diligence on the funded prop firms that you wish to trade with. The third thing is just the trading restrictions, especially during the trading challenge and also when you get funded. Besides the prop firms requiring you to meet minimum profit targets within a specific period of time, you can't exceed certain drawdowns, or some firms require that you make a certain number of trades during the challenge, or simply you're not allowed to hold any trades overnight. Also, if you have the necessary trading capital and have proven to yourself that you can make consistent profits, then why would you share a percentage of your profits with someone else? Thanks for watching on how to become a prop trader. Now please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos on how to become a prop trader. I'll see you guys all in the next video.